Now we are doing an experiment for cooking the shrimp. So we have the fresh shrimp in the box. It's complete fresh and raw. We get the fresh shrimp and laying them on the belt evenly. We'll control the belt speed. Right now the belt speed is 0.8 meters per minute. So we control the speed according to different cooking degree, cooking temperature, or the final meat, the quality of final meat. So now we are feeding the shrimp into the channel type micro dryer. So you can see it's a channel type. There are different sections of the dryer. There are moisture and heat expelling system. This system we give the clients for free. So now the food, the shrimp inside the chamber, and there are showing window which you can see. Now let's come to see the controlling system. Here is the monitor. You can see the moisture is coming out, the steam inside, and you can also see the blower exciting the steam out. So the shrimp is here, it's laying on the belt. So the moisture and steam is sucking out and they expelling out of the room by the channel and tubes. This is the control panel. We can control the speed, the belt speed, and there are also some other different settings. So this machine is made by Kinetic machinery. So this is our contact information here. We can provide English panel, Spanish panel, Russian panel, and some Arabic panel, and so on, according to the client's request. This is the part where the shrimp coming out. So now you see the shrimp is fully cooked. It's fully cooked. It's crispy. We should be ready to eat. It's very crispy. You see, it's crunchy now. Crunchy. Ready for it. So we have the box collecting the shrimp. After it's cooling down, you can get some packed. That's the showing case made by Kinetic machinery. Thank you. So all the clients are welcome for visit, and we can do different kind of experiment in our showing room.